So this is the new Xiaomi Mi Mix 3. The phone you all are waiting for, from couple of days. The packaging look is quite simple, with a Mix branding on the front. Flipping it, you will find that this is a 8GB RAM variant, coming with whopping 256GB storage. Let's unbox this beautiful piece of phone, and have a first look at its beauty. Opening the lid, you will find the phone first. Taking this out, so this is a green color variant, looking gorgeous and reflective. There's a glass finish over here, means a ceramic body, which feels premium to feel. The back side of the phone has a strong resemblance to Mi Mix 2S. Xiaomi claims that they had wasted their so much time to make this phone such a beauty. So let's check out the other accessories. So here is another small package, and it may contain some documentations. Here's a special message card by the company, includes CEO's signature, and something more about the phone. So the special thing is here, a wireless charger, which supports power up to 10 watts. The look of this charger is quite beautiful, classic white appearance. This thing is capable of charging the Mi Mix 3 30% faster than its predecessor. As you can see here, its 10-watt rating is mentioned here. No doubt, this is compact, portable and nice to look. Here is a USB Type-C cable, wrapped in a layer of plastic. Here comes the fast charger, a Qualcomm quick charger with Quick Charge 4 Plus support. Apart from that, there are paperworks, warranty, and other stuffs. So here's a black color case, looking simple and classic. It has a rubberized finish, making it durable. Let's put this case at the side, and have a look to the other accessories. A dongle is also provided, and might you know the reason behind it. Finally, we have a metal-coated SIM ejector tool. The overall unboxing experience looks something like this. So finally, let's get closer to the phone. The Mi Mix 3 comes with a massive 6.39-inch, Full HD Plus AMOLED screen, sporting a resolution of 2340 x 1080 pixels. Unlike the previous Mi Mix devices, this phone has a very small chin at the bottom. The bezels on the Mi Mix 3 are not slim, like on the Oppo Find X. The bottom chin is 4.46 mm on the Mi Mix 3, which is thickest bezel on the phone. The curved display of the Oppo Find X makes it more beautiful than the Mi Mix 3. And the bottom chin also seems to be thicker on the Xiaomi's phone. The major highlight of this phone is the sliding mechanism housing dual camera setup. It also includes some other sensors and a super earpiece whose volume is increased by about 27%. The dual camera sensors on the front includes a main 24-megapixel sensor, including a Sony IMX576 sensor. The secondary lens is 2-megapixel lens, to click bokeh images in portrait mode. The primary sensor has a pixel size of 1.8 micron, for capturing brighter shots in low light conditions. So there's no compromise with the front cameras. On the back, you will find a ceramic texture that is curved on all four sides. The phone has an attractive appearance, and a glossy look, which looks extremely beautiful when light hits the back surface. As you can see, it has a vertically aligned dual camera setup, along with a physical fingerprint sensor in the center. The Mix branding has a yellowish color, making it more beautiful. It is written here, Mix, by Xiaomi. Okay, so one more surprising thing at the back is a physical fingerprint scanner. There's no in-display fingerprint sensor, disappointing. The dual camera setup you are looking at the back comprises dual 12-megapixel sensors. The main lens comes with an IMX363 sensor, along with an f1.8 aperture and a pixel size of 1.4 micron. The secondary sensor is coupled with Samsung sensor, along with an f2.4 aperture and a pixel size of 1 micron. The phone is capable of capturing stunning low-light shots. And is teased by the company, it also supports 960 frames per second slow-motion recording. The phone has an aluminum alloy frame, which provides a great hands-on feel. In addition, Xiaomi also controls the gap between the ceramic body and the metal frame, making it durable and grippy. With such a massive screen, it still has a compact body and a comfortable feel. The company claims that the phone has whopping screen ratio of 93.4%. Do you think so? Let us know in comments down below. So this is a manual slider mechanism, not a motorized one on the Oppo Find X. This is controlled by neodymium magnets, which makes it move. The company claims a life expectancy of 300,000 cycles for the sliding mechanism, so it is expected to be durable. It also helps in unlocking the phone by face unlock feature. It is quite good for picking up calls, and also performs various functions. In settings, you will find some more customization. From here, you can choose specific apps that will appear if you will slide the mechanism. So let's have a look how it works. So you can choose any app to appear here, according to your wish. The smartphone is preloaded with MIUI 10, based on the new Android 9 Pie OS. Everything feels quite snappy in this phone, thanks to Snapdragon 845 chipset. The processor is coupled with up to 10 GB of RAM and 256 GB storage. Another amazing feature of this sliding mechanism is this. Just slide it during watching any video, and it will pop up some option, including screen recording, one-click screenshot, and more. You can also access split screen through this. The slider also includes several sound effects with it. So, that's all guys, thanks for watching, hope you liked the video. Get subscribed to our channel for future updates, and as always, keep watching and keep smiling.